Hey everyone, it's Ellita Love Slots. We're here at Fontainebleau and playing Dragon Link Peacock Princess. Mr. Ellita just triggered the bonus 10-cent denomination 750 bet. We're okay, thank you. Got some nice big balls in there. Let's see how this goes. Show you the progressives up here. Hopefully we'll land those. That'll work. Show us the words. Hey, keeping us in the game. We love it. Come on. We'll take anything, please. Land it, land it. That's still a very nice bonus. I mean, this is really nice. We just arrived in Las Vegas. We're staying in Fontainebleau for 2 nights. Mr. Ellita played this machine first. He blew $100 pretty quickly, and then he came over here and got this really nice $870 win. So this is a very, very nice start to the trip, and let's hope we see many, many more wins like this. I would like an upgrade. That would be amazing. An upgrade, minor ×2, or the mega hat. Minor ×2 would have been $200, so might do well on mega hat. I'm just happy to get a bonus on this game, honestly. Let's go. Let's see some big, big, mega hats. That one, or that one, or that one. Oh, well, you never know how it might work, so I'm here for it. Okay, more hats, please. More hats, thank you. That's nice. More hats, please. Okay, got 1 gold. More hats, more. All right. Hats. Let's see them. Yes, thank you. Hats. All right, 2 golds now. Land them. All right, well, 2 golds. $0.02 denomination, $5 bet. Let's see what we end up with here for this bonus. Wolfie, be kind to Miss Ellita if you would. Alrighty. Okay. Big coins. Alright, that's pretty nice. Right, honestly, just so pleased that I got a bonus at all on this game. Alright, I'll take $137.40 on a $5 bet. That works. So I roped Mr. Ellita into playing Huff and even more Puff Grand, and he got the bonus now. He's also doing 2-cent denomination, $5 bet. So let's see how he does on his bonus. Come on, let's get that upgrade. Or mansions feature. Oh, okay, well, the buzzsaw. You never know how it can turn out. I mean, it's just so wild. Come on, buzzsaw. All right. Wolfie, please be kind. Yes. Ooh. Yes! Ooh. Wow. Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 golds. Oh, 6 golds. Oh, yay. Keep it going. Keep it going. Let's get another one. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. That's a lot of golds, though. I love it. All right, Wolfie. Okay. Let's see some big coins, please. Oh, minor, $100. Wow. I mean, these are great wins. Wow, $365 on a $5 bet. Here's the rest of the machine so you can see all of the amazing possibilities. Honestly, we're just happy to get a win. I came back and very foolishly and against my better judgment gave all of the money that I won back. I know you guys can relate. No more of that. It's the first day. You know how you can get a little bit crazy when you first get to Vegas. So my sense has returned. Okay, we're cashing out at $435.10. So we're at Fontainebleau. Mr. Ellita just called me over because he got the bonus on the Wizard of Oz. I'll get you my pretty. He's betting $3.20. So let's see how he does. The only other time we played this machine, we did wretchedly. We didn't get any bonus. We got like just a bunch of nothing. So let's hope we can get something good this time. Oh, okay. So we need to unlock some stuff, it looks like. Oh my gosh, land something. Okay. So, all right. And it looks like we still have 3 spins left. So every time you get an orb, you get a spin back, I believe. Come on, there we go. Ooh, all right. Let's get some more things unlocked. Oh, come on. Land something now, please. Anything will be great. Oh. Well, that's nice. Those multipliers are making a difference. And at least you got a bonus this time around. $86. All right. Nice to get a bonus finally on this game. Okay, we got a little doodly-doo with the witch coming by and her monkeys. Looks like this could be a nice big win. $31.20. Now we know this game has a little doodly-doo. Well, Mr. Ellita said we were going to play down to like $100 or so. And he got sucked in. There's all of these orbs up there now. Boy, these game developers are so crafty to lure us in. We should all know better by now, but we don't. It's fun. So that was Wizard of Oz. I think we're going to cash out with our dollar. What? Oh my God, you guys. Here I am trying to be the voice of reason, and here he is telling me, no, let me put in $100 more. I really hope it's worth it. Okay, was that fun? All right, we're back down to $34.50, but again, we started off with some nice numbers here, 10-cent denomination, $4 bets. Let's get those progressives this time, shall we? Or those are just mean. I hope not. We need more pearls, please. Are you kidding? And this time I'm going to show them to you, but not give them to you. Anything, please. Yes, thank you. All right, now let's get some progressives, please. Okay, it's a nice one. All right, we'll take a 1 cent pearl if it'll keep us in the game. Oh dear. Well, that's a nice win. Nice, $145 on that one. That's better than we have been doing. Well, I'm feeling good about myself because I pushed the button on this one and we got the bonus. And we've got a couple of really nice numbers there to start. So maybe this time we'll get some of these progressives. Let's see what happens. Oh, keep on landing those pearls if you please. Okay, that'll work. Okay. Mega, major, minor, mini, any or all of the above would be appreciated. Okay. Or 250. We'll take 250. Thank you. Okay, our Cosmopolitans have come in these very sort of interesting glasses. It seems like more of a brandy snifter? I don't know. I'm not a bartender, but anyway, that's what our Cosmopolitans came in. Now back to our bonus. Yes. And our cocktail server was just delightful. Nice service here on the floor at Fontainebleau. You can do it, Dragon. Come on, Dragon. Something with an M. Oh, all right. Well, another bonus, and it showed up very quickly, so that's lovely. We will gladly take $90 on a $4 bet. Cheers, my love, to our time in Vegas. Cheers, everyone. We're back with another bonus on 10-cent denomination. Started off with a, that's a $50 one, right? I think it is. Now, this time our goal is to get some progressives. We've seen them kind of showing up here and there, but never when we really need them. Oh my goodness. I mean, again, we'll take a 1 cent ball if it keeps us in the game, please. Or a pearl, beg your pardon. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that was by the skin of our teeth, wasn't it? Now it's time for a progressive, if you please. Okay, that's nice. Keeping us in the game. I love it. Dragon, be generous, please. We see all of your coins and your pearls. You have some to spare. Oh dear. All right. Well, still, once again, a nice bonus from the dragon. We go down and then we go back up. I mean, we've been playing for quite a while on these games, which is nice because, as we know, too often you're just putting in money and it's gone before you know it. So it's nice to get to play a game for a long time, especially if you're having a good time doing it. So this time we won $107.50. Not bad at all on a $4 bet. You guys, I'm glad that I wasn't filming when the major and the mini showed up, because I yelled out such an inappropriate word. You would have just been absolutely shocked. We've come to the end of our journey on Lion Link. We've been here for quite a long time playing. It's been very, very fun. We are finally cashing out with $152. And now we are going to go check into our room here at Fontainebleau. Later on tonight, we are going to Mother Wolf for dinner. We've heard so many great things about it. We're really looking forward to it. So we'll be back later on with more fun things we get up to on our first night in Vegas. So we're in our room at Fontainebleau. It's 5565, so we are on the 55th floor. And this room was complimentary. We didn't request it. It's just something that we were given. There was an offer, and we said, yes, we would indeed like to have 2 complimentary nights at Fontainebleau. So as we walk into the bathroom, there is a very, very deep tub. No jets, but super deep, which I love. And then we have dual, I guess you would say spigots here, but just one large sink. And of course, a lot of people have already spoken about the attention to detail, things like the bow tie that we see everywhere throughout the hotel. There's soap, a shower cap, which I appreciate. We've got body lotion. In here, there's a vanity set, so things like Q-tips and cotton swabs on a bow tie tray. Down here, plenty of nice towels and a hair dryer. A separate water closet, which we always appreciate. And the shower is a standalone shower. It looks very, very large. It's nice to have the shower head up pretty high. And we do have bath amenities in here, including shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. We do have a large full-length mirror. And then we have the main part of the room. Got our closet here. Closet lights up when you walk in. And there are some nice hangers with clips. These are nice and fuzzy. Padded hangers for any delicate things you need to hang. There is a steamer up here. They offer laundry, dry cleaning, and pressing. There's slippers, shoehorn, only one robe. So I'm gonna have to ask them if they could send up another robe for Mr. Ellita. And then over here we have a nice large television, the mini bar. We had to sign a waiver indicating that if we had anyone with us who was under 18, we'd be responsible for their alcohol consumption, because there is alcohol in the mini bar. We brought our own things, but espresso martini. Oh, there's some nice things in here, but we won't touch that. We drove this time, so we were able to bring our own things. In here, well, there are 2 glasses. Looks like we're probably missing some wine glasses. Swizzle sticks with a Fontainebleau logo, a wine opener, some cocktail napkins. And then here, this is a fridge for our personal items, which is nice. Because as I say, we did bring some of our own waters and canned cocktails. Well, here we have some glasses that could definitely be used for wine glasses, so maybe I spoke too soon. Nice ice bucket again with a logo. And then here is another little bow tie with QR codes to scan for different things like shopping, spa, and fitness. Tomorrow we will be going to the Lapis Spa, and we're very much looking forward to that. We do have some drawers, nice deep drawers for our items, which is great, so we can unpack and feel at home. And then finally, we have this floor-to-ceiling window. By the way, this room is Blue King Mountain Best View. So you can see we do have the mountain view, and I see why they say we have the best view, because we are up so high on the 55th floor. We do have this nice view of the Sphere and sort of the backside of Encore, but I love to see that golf course. It's astonishing how green it is in the middle of the desert. We're here at Fontainebleau playing Dancing Drums, Golden Drums. This is a second spin. So on his first spin, he won how much? Like $320 on a 5-cent denomination $10 bet. And then he dropped down to 5 and he got this bonus, and he's already won $76. So now you must choose. Oh, that's nice. How much did you put in to start? $100? Wow. Already up to 400. Ooh. That pot is nice and full too. I wonder if we can make that drop. All right, retrigger. Ooh, ships. 3X. My goodness. Wow.
A couple of backup wins, spins. And,
up to $611, and you just put in $100 2 spins ago.
Right. Okay.
Well, that was a quick $500 win. I filmed the first spin as a short, so you guys will have to check that one out separately. All right, now we are off to dinner at Mother Wolf, and I guess I know who's buying. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Back soon with more. Tonight we are going to be dining at Mother Wolf here at Fontainebleau. It's such a lovely location, nice and dim. The menu looks absolutely incredible. We spent some time with our server, and she explained some things to us, so now we just need to decide what it is we are going to order. And this is the list of cocktails, and there's also non-alcoholic options available. And on this side of the menu we have wine by the glass. So we received our glass of Pinot Grigio, and Mr. Ellita ordered an SPQR, which is sort of an old-fashioned. So interestingly, we find the SPQR to have quite a lot of citrus flavor to it. The Pinot Grigio is delightful. I'm really enjoying that. It's going to be wonderful with the meal. Here is our salad, which has just arrived. It looks fantastic. Can't wait to try it out. Here's Mr. Ellita's ribeye, and it came with a side of more arugula salad, and then there's some potatoes underneath there. And then I gave him some of my short rib pasta, and he gave me some of his potato and his steak. And then we have a side of broccoli, which just looks absolutely amazing with this charred lemon and the garlic on top. What a feast here at Mother Wolf. We will certainly enjoy this very, very much. So finally, we are down to the dessert menu. We understand that absolutely everything is made in-house, which is pretty impressive. Here on the back, we have after-dinner drinks. I have to show you our beautiful lattes that have arrived. I would hate to spoil it and not show you all. And they come with a biscotti, which is such a nice touch. Mr. Ellita got one too. And soon we will have a dessert to share as well. And here is our lovely dessert. Oh my goodness, all made in-house. This lovely latte. It's been a very nice experience here at Mother Wolf. I am at the Firelink Triple Nova machine here at Fontainebleau, doing 2-cent denomination and a $3 bet, and I just triggered the bonus. Pretty low numbers, but let's see if we can land some of these nice big numbers. Oh my goodness, come on. The best part of all is that I am on free play, so it would be really epic if I could get some nice wins here. So just one more to unlock. Oh, but down below, nice, okay, fun. So now one more to unlock the next row, even though there's nothing there, but let's see if we can get something there. Oh boy. Come on, let's see. Yes, big numbers. All right. All right, I will take these numbers all day. I want to get that fire spark one. Come on, land it. There we go. Oh, very good. All right. I'm all the way to the top. Let's fill up all of this real estate with numbers and letters. Yes, land it. That's a good one. All right. Keep it going. Oh no, don't stop now. Come on, fire spark. Give me something big, please. Oh no. All right, let's hope this is not the last spin. Anything, please. Anything. Okay. That's a pretty nice run. Just a $3 bet and 2-cent denomination. All right, $129.60. Can't be mad at that, especially on free play. Well, I stopped filming, but I promise you guys, this was a back-to-back bonus. I got the hot zone. I believe I only landed 2 fireballs. I don't really know how this works. You all will know much better than I. But the mini is $30, so that's a great start. All right, well, this is my first time playing this version, so see what it's all about. Oh, okay, fun. I like that it can add on to a progressive. All right, we just need one more to unlock the next row. Okay, we love it. All right. Get some big fireballs here. Sweet. Wow, I'm liking this game. Oh, now we've got to get up there. We need 3 more to unlock the next row. Only 1 spin remaining, so let's get something down here on the bottom, please. Come on, you can do it. No, too bad. There were some big numbers up there. Oh, I like that 5150 up in the corner. Not to be, but let's see. How much do we win on this back-to-back bonus on free play? Wow, 100 American dollars. I love it. Sweet. Yeah, I don't really know how this works because you see I just got 2 fireballs there, so that's pretty awesome that you can trigger a bonus with just the 2. All right. Wow, up to 248.39, and I was only working on my last bit of free play here. Love it. Well, I did several backup spins, not really getting anything else now, so I'm going to cash out with 230.39 on Ultimate Firelink Triple Nova. This was really fun to play for the first time, and I'm so glad I got those back-to-back bonuses on free play, no less. All right, guys, I am now on Ultimate Firelink here at Fontainebleau, doing 10-cent denomination, $2 bet. And I'm still working on my free play. This is my winnings from my earlier Firelink adventure. Let's see how we do here. Land them down below, please. That's nice. Perfect. Oh boy, would I love to get one of those progressives, please. Wonderful. All right. Let's get that money. Super, we'll take it. Awesome. All right, now a progressive. Ooh. All right. Big money. Let's go. Big money. I want some words, please. Show them to me. Oh dear. Come on. We'll take anything. There's lots of spaces to fill. Anything. No. I saw that major flash too. Well, this should be a nice win. I got it pretty quickly. $65. I will take that and be grateful. All right, 65 bucks. Give it a couple more spins, see if we can get anything going. Ah, Mr. Ellita got the bonus now. One more for me. All right, now I'm gonna go over and see how he's doing. Give me a sec. All right, so Mr. Ellita is doing a 5-cent denomination, $2 bet, and he's gotten the bonus, so let's see how he does. This is by the bay, I think, right? Yeah. Nice. All right. Now, I hope you can land some progressives. I did not land any progressives. Sweet. All right. Oh my. Ooh, this game is not messing around. Oh, I saw the major and the minor on that one. Come on now, land it. Oh, I saw 4,000. Come on. Oh, these crazy numbers and words. I saw the minor again. Darn it, what a tease. Let's go, land it. Oh, don't give up now. Oh dear, we need something to land here. Let's go. Oh, that's still a very nice wind. Oh, much more than $50, $72. Oh my God. So we are playing Spooky Link here at Fontainebleau, and it's at the end of the night. We're doing 2-cent denomination, $2 bet. We just triggered this bonus where it's a match 3 to win. We've got the little ghost. Let's see what we can do here. So the mini is $30. Okay, that was just hilarious. Thank you for the laugh. At least we got a bonus because we were playing it in the high limit room and we weren't getting anything on the Spooky Link, although it had the mummy and he was very cute. Oh, do we get something else? Oh wait, do we get this too? Okay, good. All right, well, we'll take it. Thank you. All right, let's go. Come on, Ghosty. Oh yeah. Another mini for 30 bucks and no, more than that. No, it's just the mini is 30. But everything else is twice as much, right? Because we're on 2 cents. Okay. But we need diamonds, right? So we can advance. Nice, we got them. All right. Thank you, Ghosty. Beautiful. All right. Okay. All right. Aw. Come on, Ghosty. Aw. Look at all these coins that someone suspiciously left here. All right, well, $119 on just a $2 bet. Pretty nice. Are we going to keep playing a little bit? All right. We'll come on back if we can get anything else going. We are going to cash out of Spooky Link with $121.15. It's been a very long day. We were up quite early in the morning, getting ready to leave. Mr. Ellita drove here from Los Angeles. We made really good time, a little more than 4 hours. And then ever since we've gotten here, we've just been playing and having fun. So we are here at Fontainebleau. This is where we're going to be staying tonight and tomorrow night. And our plans for tomorrow include starting the day off at the spa. So we're very, very excited about that. All right, so we're gonna cash out. We're gonna make our way over here to the guest elevators. We'll check in at the room and we'll see you then. We had such a fun time gambling and exploring this property. We had dinner at Mother Wolf and it was fantastic. It's totally worth all of the hype that you hear about it. Really enjoyable. We've had some really nice cocktails, played video poker, slots. Mr. Ellita has done very, very well today. I have not done as well. I don't have any money to show for it, but I had a great time and we've got lots of videos. So hope you enjoyed. In the morning, we're going to be going to the spa here, the Lapis Spa at Fontainebleau. The nice thing is that there are a lot of co-ed spaces, so Mr. Ellita and I can enjoy them together, and then we're going to go off separately to have massages. So I'm not sure if we'll be able to film very much in the spa at all, so we'll just fill you in later on and we'll come back and tell you all about it. So thanks very much for coming along with Ellita Love Slots. We hope you enjoyed what we've gotten up to today.